Hi, this is Dave with Priority Maintenance, beautiful Monrovia, Maryland. I just want to do a quick video on the differences between soft wash systems and pressure wash systems. A lot of times I'll send out an estimate and the customer will come back and go, well, I wanted my house power washed. Why is it saying you're going to soft wash it? And the answer is you don't want to use pressure on vinyl, aluminum, and any other surfaces on the side of the house. You just don't want to use any pressure. So soft wash is the way to go. And the differences are, here's your pressure washer system here. Kind of hard to see without the ladder in the way. But this unit here is a 6 gallon a minute, 3,500 PSI with heat if it's needed. This system you use completely different than the soft wash. Soft wash is going to be based on its chemical performance. So let's swing over here and take a look at the soft wash system. This particular unit here is a Gen 3. This does 7 gallons per minute, but only does 70 PSI. So I can literally hit it with my hand. It's not going to hurt. It's not going to do any damage to the side of the house. And that's the most important thing about this system. I can also, with this manifold here, I can adjust the strength of the detergents and soaps that I'm going to be needing to get your house clean. So with that, let me go ahead and reel out this one. We'll go ahead and do a quick sample on the side of the house here and show you what we got. What I do with my system is I'll do the soft wash on the house, but I will bring the pressure washer hose out here to do my rinsing. I like to get the landscaping wet prior to putting any chemical on, so if any overflow comes down, it's not going to hurt it. The strength that I need to use for this house isn't much, so it's not going to do any damage anyway. I just like to be sure. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're just going to wet down the landscaping. This is just water from the pressure washer. I'm going to put a low pressure, get it wet, and then the chemical gets into it. Real quick, this is not a how-to video by any means. If you want to look how to do things like that, you can research online videos. But this is just a little information pack for my customers. PPE, glasses and gloves, mandatory. If you do a roof cleaning, it's stronger of a chemical mix, so you're going to go with the respirator at that point. So let's wet this down and then we'll start applying to the house. Let's go ahead and apply a solution to the side of the house. Most of the time you get the house this bad, it's the side facing north. I'm sure you all may have known that already, but we'll come back in about 15-20 minutes and let this sit and dwell, and then we'll rinse it off. Okay, we've let it dwell for about 15-20 minutes now. We're going to go ahead and just rinse it down and give you a kind of a look at what it would be at the finished product. Again, this is under low pressure. It is the pressure washer machine, but I have a tip on that's real low pressure. Now is we'll get up, look at it closer, see if we missed any spots and touch it up. 301-831-3498 or PriorityMaintenanceLLC.com. Thanks for watching.